Kyber Network DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. Kyber Network is a decentralized liquidity protocol designed for seamless crypto trading and efficient liquidity aggregation. Built for DeFi enthusiasts, traders, and developers, it offers a suite of features aimed at simplifying decentralized finance while ensuring transparency and security. The platform stands out with its dynamic market-making mechanism, which optimizes liquidity pools for better capital efficiency. For users, this translates to competitive rates and minimal slippage when swapping tokens. Kyber's multi-chain functionality supports Ethereum, Polygon, and other leading blockchains, making it versatile for a wide range of crypto assets. My experience with Kyber has been smooth, especially with its integration into popular DeFi platforms like Uniswap and Aave. The platform's user interface is intuitive, allowing easy navigation even for beginners, while advanced users benefit from tools like on-chain analytics and detailed transaction tracking. One of Kyber's core features, the Kyber DAO, empowers users to participate in governance by staking KNC, Kyber Network Crystal, tokens. Stakers earn rewards while influencing decisions such as fee structures and development priorities, adding a strong community-driven aspect. I've personally staked KNC and appreciated the straightforward staking process and timely reward distributions. Additionally, Kyber ensures robust security measures with regular audits and has never suffered major breaches, a key factor in my confidence when using it. For developers, Kyber offers SDKs and APIs for seamless integration into dApps, making it an excellent choice for building DeFi tools. Meanwhile, traders can leverage its aggregated liquidity from multiple sources to secure optimal trading prices. If you're a liquidity provider, Kyber's platform ensures competitive yields with flexibility to adjust fee parameters to market conditions. In summary, Kyber Network is a reliable, efficient, and user-focused DeFi solution that caters to a diverse audience, from casual traders to developers and liquidity providers. Its multi-chain compatibility, robust liquidity aggregation, and community governance make it a standout in the decentralized finance space. My experience has been overwhelmingly positive, and I can confidently recommend it to anyone looking to optimize their DeFi activities without compromising on security or efficiency.